Alrighty, Jans, here's your 427 small block Ford. Gives description of this combination. It's got Edelbrock As Cast heads, Edelbrock air gap. Got one of our carburetors run on it, MSD Pro billet. Front sup oil pan. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3500, 520 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 544. Peaks horsepower 525. So we're ready to 500, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things in the seat. And you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Engine bill specs, dyno video, things of that nature. On the engine will be this tag. Basically, it'll have your engine numbers, motor specs. Need anything from us, the engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got this QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. So if you have any questions, just give us a holler and have a great day.